The numbers in each figure are related among themselves in a certain way. Understand the pattern and identify the number that can be written at the place of question mark. Correct. 35 is the right answer. The numbers in the given figure are related in some way. Understand the pattern and identify the number that can be written at the place of question mark. Nice selection. 6 is the correct and valid answer. Create at least 3 different patterns using the given block design in your notebook. Click on ice when it is done. Solid response. Yes is a valid choice. Find the missing number in the given magic square. Good job, your answer 53 works well here. Mira's secret number has the following clues. It is an even number more than 3 tens but less than half of 90. The product of its digits is 12. What is Mira's secret number? Excellent choice. 34 is the right answer. Given the following tile pattern, how many tiles would be in the 5th shape? Smart pick. B equal to 9 is the correct choice. Guess the number that can be written at the place of question mark. Excellent. 23 is a brilliant choice. Look the patterns carefully and choose the missing numbers dash. 25 is a solid answer. Based on the rate of change, how many circles would come next? Great thinking. 9 is the right choice. A number is more than half of 70. Also, it is more than 30 and less than 40, and the sum of its digit is 9. Identify the number from the given options. Correct response. 36 is the most accurate answer. Which strategies can you use? Choose all that apply 4 plus A. Exactly. Make 10 make sense and it is right choice. After which turn picture 1 will look like picture 2. Well picked. 1/4 is the correct answer. Skip count by Fez. How many faces do you see in all? Well reasoned. 25 is the correct choice. How many blocks should come next in the pattern? Right choice. 8 is the best answer, which gives the correct output for 11 and 15. Well done. 15/19 is the right choice. Find the sum of the numbers in the box given. Good thinking. 99 is the right answer. What will come in the place of question mark? On track. Zo is the correct answer. What is the rule for this in and out table? Perfect. Add 1 is the correct choice. What is the missing number in the pattern? Valid point. 13 is true. What pattern can you see in the picture? Sharp thinking. Wavy lines is the right choice. Identify the turn in the given picture. Great job. 1 pre-8 turn is the accurate answer. Are you arriving at the same number? You chose yes, and it is correct. Jacob's teacher gave the class a mystery pattern below to solve point 12, 16, 20, 24 dash. What is the rule to get to the next number? You got it? Your choice add 4 is right. How much is the cat rotated? You're right. 1p4 is the correct answer. Sneha's secret number is a prime number greater than 5 and less than 10. Which of the following is her secret number? Strong choice. 7 is the right answer. Tyler is skip counting by tens. He counts 80, 70, 60, 50. Did Tyler skip count by tens?
smart move. Yes is an accurate answer.
Mike has 5 pairs of socks. Each pair has 2 socks. How many socks does Mike have?
Right again. 10 is a valid answer. Think about part, whole. If the whole is 12, which parts would not equal 12? Clear logic. Your choice 5 plus 5 is sound and 100% true. Find the next term in the pattern using the ruler rule. Add 5, 25, 30, 35, 40 dash. Bravo, 45 is the answer. What comes next in the skip counting pattern? Die 2, dash 6, dash, dash, Escher 12. Nice work. You chose 4, 8, 10 and it is correct. What are the missing numbers in this pattern? 2333-53-73. Smart pick. 4363 is the correct choice. I am an odd number less than 15 but greater than 11. What number am I? Right again. 13 is a valid answer. What is the next term in this pattern? 10, 20, 30, 40, dash. On track. 50 is the correct answer. What number is missing in this pattern? 333, 339, dash 351, 357. Strong choice. 345 is the right answer. How would you describe this pattern's rule? 65, 62, 59, 56, 53, 50. You got it? Your choice subtract 3 is right. Fill in the missing number in the pattern. 10, 20, 30, dash 50. Well done. 40 is the right choice. How would you describe this pattern's rule? 4, 11, 18, 25, 30, 39. Correct. Added 7 is the right answer. What comes next in this pattern? 1 on 10, 190, dash, dash, dash. Excellent choice. 80, 70, 60 is the right answer. What rule is being used in the pattern below? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Bravo! Add 2 is the answer. Find the rule for the given pattern. 99, 88, 77, 66, 55, 44, 33. Well reasoned. Subtract 11 is the correct choice. Find the next number in the pattern. 10, 11, 9, 10, 8, dash. Good thinking. 9 is the right answer. Complete the following pattern. 5, 10, 15, 20, dash, dash. Excellent. 25, 30 is a brilliant choice. How would you describe this pattern's rule? 23, 29, 35, 41? Smart move. Add 6 is an accurate answer. What is the sixth number in this pattern? 13, 16, 19, 22. Nice selection. 28 is the correct and valid answer. What number belongs in the blank? 1824-3642. Great thinking. 30 is the right choice. Which of these number will look same after half turn? Sharp thinking. 9696 is the right choice. What is the fourth number in this pattern? 47, 53, 59. Correct response. 65 is the most accurate answer. What will come next? 150, 200, 250, dash, dash. Great, Jodred. 350 is the accurate answer. Find the rule the pattern is using. 3, 9, 15, 21, 27. Perfect. Add 6 is the correct choice. Do the 4 seasons of the year follow a pattern? Nice work. You chose yes, and it is correct. Can we see patterns everywhere in our daily life? Exactly. Yes makes sense and it is right choice. What are 2 patterns we learned about in class? Nicely done. Non-numeric and numeric is a solid answer. Complete the following pattern. ABCD if dash. You're right. Getch is the correct answer. Patterns are everywhere. You just have to look. Solid response. True is a valid choice. Extend this numeric pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash.
Valid point 6 is true.
Which number sentence shows repeated addition? You chose 4 plus 4 plus 4, and it is correct. Continue the pattern. Beeb, CC, a beeb dash.
Clear logic. Your choice CC is sound and 100% true.
Complete the pattern 1, 3, 5, 7 dash dash.
Right choice. 911 is the best answer.
360. What is the next number in the pattern? Good job. Your answer 380 worked.
What is the angle of rotation in 15/4 turn? Well picked. 90 degree is the correct answer.
What will be the next number we 5, 10, 15, 20?
Nice selection. 25 is the correct and valid answer. Which word will look same after half turn?
Well reasoned. Noon is the correct choice.
5, 1, 2, 5 dash. What number comes next?
You chose Wang, and it is correct. Describe the pattern 30, 35, 40, 45. Good thinking. Adding by Feis is the right answer. A pattern that repeats is called a dash.
Correct. Repeating pattern is the right answer.
Dash, dash, 400, 350, 300, 250, 200.
Nicely done. 450 is a solid answer.
Complete the pattern 23, 456 dash.
Perfect. 789 is the correct choice. Find the rule Q2 4, 6, 8, 10 dash.
Great thinking. Added 2 is the right choice.
15, 20, 25 dash, a dash, dash.
Right again. 30, 35, 40 is a valid answer. Is the number 16 even or odd? On track. Even is the correct answer. B2, C3, D4. Smart pick. Brother is the correct choice. NA1.
Excellent. 243 is a brilliant choice.
17.
Smart move. 14 is an accurate answer.
17. Well picked. 31 is the correct answer.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Good job. Your answer contact Narayan Changdar on Facebook works well here.